Okay, something else, guys. Let's have a look at what we call a nest join, and this is something very Couchbase specific. Okay, I don't remember I've seen this in other in other data stores, in other even if in relational database systems with JSON, yeah, using JSON. What is this nest join doing? Because definitely it's a new kind of join. You see, you can use it with the left side here, left nest. Yeah, okay. Usually that's a left join, and yeah, we'll address the same. We'll use the same persons and orders. Yeah, one to many relationships that we had before between these two different. Arrays, yeah, data on the fly. And yeah, if you do this, yeah, let's see first what we get because yeah, definitely look, I will say left join. Okay, let's see first what we got before left join orders on this one. Okay, on order by p name. Okay, yeah. So we got Jack, we got John. Once again, John. Yeah, with the orders. Yeah, orders. So we got John, but individual orders. Yeah, and Mary with one single order. Well, as the name suggests, when you use nest, you use it to get an array with all the orders of John. Look, why do we need different entries here for John? John with one order, John with another order. Yeah, we want all the orders of John under orders here. Yeah, this is what we do. Yeah, just explain in the simple manner. And if you replace now left with nest, okay, seeing is believing it. I think it's better to see what it does. Look, Jack has no orders. Okay, John. Look at the orders of John. Instead of having one order on a different line with a name John, once again separately, we get a nested array with all the orders of John. So in this case, this is a collection that appears on the right side. Yeah, the on the many side of the one to many relationship. And yeah, Mary has one single order, but as you can see, it's also in an array. So that's an array. Jack gets an empty array because he has no orders. Okay, let's complicate this a bit right now. Let's say I want an aggregation, yeah, because usually that's why you expand. You expand this in an array because you still want something from these orders, and I don't want the PIDs here. You can see they repeat themselves because it's the same ID. I want just the total values here. Let's say, and yes, you can do it this way. Yeah, you may say array, okay, and totals left nest, okay. Let's see what we get. Yeah, directly. Okay, we get this. Yeah, if you look inside, this provided an inline cursor. Yeah, and we built up an array dynamically, the totals array, by doing this. And yeah, left nest. Basically, if you look at, because that's why it's interesting right now. Is this really necessary? The nest close? Because to me, look, let's try this one. To me, it looks like it's very similar to a left join. Yeah, to a typical join in this case. Yeah, this could be inner join with a group by clause. Group by p name, and here, yeah, you aggregate everything that you had before, and just as an alternative to all this stuff in here, we can use array agg, and let's see what we get. Yeah, we get something very, very similar. So once again, maybe nest is not truly necessary. I didn't cover everything here, but think about when you intend to use nest. Think about using join, the typical ANSI join, with a group by, and see if you further need to aggregate what you already aggregated on the right side here. Because definitely, if you group everything by name, you need an aggregation on the right side for the uh, for the for the totals. Yeah, for the totals in here. Okay, what they say at Couchbase is that a nest join may be looked at as the reverse operation of unnest. Well, to me, I found it more similar to a group by followed by an array AGG call, yeah, on the right side of the one-to-many join. I'm not sure if I covered all possible cases, but look, I had this example here. I had Jack, John, Mary, yeah, with different bills here. So one to many join, and instead of using a left join, I used a left nest. Okay, so nest is a kind of join, and on the right side, what I got an aggregate result. Yeah, on the right here. Look, I got objects: Jack, John, and Mary. John had a nested array with all the orders. So basically, yes, the group by was just on name, and the column, the property on which I applied a nest, got aggregated. Yeah, got the value aggregated into a nested array.